Hello, second graders. It's Mr. McMillan coming at you with another math review question for you. So today we're going to work on word problem. Our word problem is as follows. Mikey played out 27 white pieces. Kanaya played out 34 black pieces. How many pieces did they play out together? Mikey and Kanaya are playing a game called Hive Carbon in this example. And this game is kind of like chess, and your goal is to play out all your pieces to surround the queen bee for the opponent. Once you've surrounded their bee, you win. So the pieces look like this, and they're really cool. They're really chunky, made out of ceramic, and there's a ton of them. So as they're playing out the game, Mikey's playing out 27 of these white pieces, and Kanaya's playing out 34 of these black pieces. Let's underline some of the most key information in this problem. So we know who the two players are. Our players are who? We've got Mikey. So we got Mikey as one of our players. And then we have Kanaya. That answers the who. What did they do? They played out a certain number of their pieces. How many though? So Mikey played out 27 pieces. So let's connect that. Mikey and 27. So that he played out those white pieces. That's actually important too. We'll say he played out the white pieces. While Kanaya played out how many? She played out 34 black pieces. So, how many pieces did they play out together? This is another very, very key word inside of our problem. Let's underline that. Together. When we talk about together, we're talking about combined. So, together would insinuate that we're doing an addition problem. So, I know that if I have Mikey, I'm going to represent as an M, and I have Kanaya, I'm going to represent her as a K. Mikey, he played out, I'm going to make a little bar graph, 27 of his black pieces, and Kanaya played out 34, and I know 34 is more than 27, so I'm going to make hers a little longer. I'm going to write out 34. So we know 27 and 34. We're going to figure out how many did she play together. So we're going to have to what? Add. We're going to have to put this, and we're going to need to add it to the number that Mikey played. So 34 plus 37 should get us to that magic number. Let's see. Let's go through multiple ways in which you can actually do this solving. Okay, you can use your bar model to show 27 and 34. A lot of friends could do the vertical method. I've noticed that. I've seen 27 plus 34. I need to do my ones first since I'm adding 7 plus 4. I know 7 plus 3 is 10, so 7 plus 4 must be one more, which means 11. But I also know that I can't have two digits in the ones place. So we need to make that 10, right? So we put that 10 from the 11 in the tens place, and the 1 from the ones place down here. Because 11 looks like this, right? 10, 1. Now let's add the tens place. 1 plus 2, 3. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Our answer should be 61. Let's pause and try a different one. So we're going to continue with this problem of Mikey playing out 27 white pieces and Kanaya playing out 34 black pieces. How many pieces did they play out together? We're going to continue that, but we're going to use the place value strategy this time. So I'm going to build my place value right here at the bottom. Here's my place value. Now when I start over here with hundreds, tens, and ones. So I'm going to use two different colors. I'm going to use, Mikey's going to be white. Kanaya's going to use black. So, using Mikey, we know that he played out 27. So 27 is the same as 2 10s, 7 1s. So let's do 2 10s first. 1, 2. And these are both 10s. 2 10s and 7 1s. Let's do it together. Count with me. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. And each one of these is a 1. Notice how I stopped here and I only made a row of 5. We always want to try to make rows of 5 to make it easier in our brains because we know 5 and 5 is 10, right? So as soon as I see 2 full rows of 5, I'll know I need to combine to make a new unit of 10. So we're done with Mikey, right? 27, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay. Now we're going to do Kanaya. Kanaya played out 34 black pieces. Let's do it. 34 has 3 10s, 4 1s. Let's build it. 3 10s. Let's go like this. 10, 20, 30. Each of these are 10s. We've got the 3 10s. And then 4 1s. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And these are all 1s. I had to think to myself, do I need to make a 10 in any of these place values? We always start over here at the 1s. Do I see 10 1s? I do. 5 and 5 is 10, with 1 left over is 11. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to compose. We've talked about composition. I'm going to compose these. 10 1s make 10. So I used these 10 1s and I made a 10. Now I look over here in my 10s and I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So I don't have more than 10 10s, so I don't need to combine in the 10s place. I think we're finished and ready to count our final answer. Let's count together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So we have 6 10s. And we composed up here 1 1. 1 1. Put them together. You get 61 bananas? Cookies? No. They're asking us how many pieces did they play out. So you would say 61 pieces. P-I-E-C-E-S. There's our final answer. Nice job. That's the place value strategy.